If you look at Winnebago County Judge Gwyn Gulley's schedule, you likely won't see a lot of space besides court dates and legal proceedings.
But it's what she does outside the courtroom that's motivating so many people around her. It's also the reason she's been nominated as one of our remarkable women. Whitney Martin has her story.
As a young girl, I said, I want to be a lawyer when I grow up. That was the goal that I set, my career choice, and I just followed it. One day, some boys played a trick on me.
This is what a break looks like for Judge Gwyn Gulley.
He did not do it.
It really isn't one. When she's off the bench, she's sitting on community boards, or in this case, in front of a classroom.
As the saying goes, to whom much is given, much is required.
Rockford is home to Gulley. Before she became a judge, she was a proud Viking, fueling her passion to become an attorney after graduating from Guilford High School.
I was always active and wanted to do things, wanted to be involved in things in school. So I think that kind of kept me motivated.
That motivation pushing Gulley to make history as the first African-American woman to become a 17th Circuit Court judge.
It's a humbling experience because you think, wow, that was not something that I really aspired to do, was to be the first.
What was the moment like, the moment that you were at the bench for the first time?
It was a very humbling experience. I was excited that I had been successful in my campaign, and I thought to myself, well, now what? Now you're a judge, this is what you wanted to do, and you have the opportunity to make a difference. Mrs. Armstrong cooked for Abe.
A difference really is an understatement. Gulley carries more than a judicial title. She's a role model, serving our community and as the president of Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority.
Our motto is to be of service to all mankind, so that plays a part in what I do. I do look up to Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
While others look up to Judge Gulley, she's inspired by a host of leaders, including President Barack Obama.
One of my friends said, she wants to be a judge. And so he looked at me and he said, she looks very judicious. So I asked him if I could take a picture with him, and he said, absolutely. So this is the photo.
Gulley says this photo means a lot. Obama elected the first black president the same year Gulley made history.
Do you feel like you've made a difference?
I think I have. Whatever I do, I give it my all, and I make sure that I do the right thing, which comes from the heart.
That was Whitney Martin reporting.